Right, Friday, I will go through this with you. Let me adjust. Okay. Now, week 6, heuristic. This has something to do with ratio, which is what you're doing now. It's rather simple, but I will still go through with you. Okay. The weight of the sugar in tin X and Y, always circle, okay, so you know what's going on, are in the ratio of 5:3. So X, you can write on top, Y to guide your eyes. Okay. So, if 120 grams of sugar in X is transferred to Y, and then it goes on. Okay, I'm not going to read first, so we'll draw first. Okay, I'm not going to use this. I will draw a new one so that you understand better. So X is to Y will be 5 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, any excess I will take it away. Is to 3. Right? Alright, so you get 5:3 here. Now, look, the next line says, if 120 grams of sugar in X is transferred to Y, then the weight of both sugar tin will be the same. Now, you look at here, how do I make them the same? Okay, that will be transferring 1 unit here, right? So I can put dotted line. So this is the same as what's over here. But here, I believe it's clearer. So, to transfer 1 here. Once I transfer this unit here, everything will be equal. Right? So, if that happens, that means 120 gram is actually this 1 unit. Okay, so you can safely say this is 120 gram. So, they want you to find the weight of sugar in tin Y. Now, a lot of you will always forget about the question mark in the end. So, you have to show me this. Right? And so, therefore, 1 unit equals to 120 gram. We are searching for 3 units. We have 3 units equals to 120 times 3. And what do you get? You get 360. Okay. Now, good news to this is you can use calculator. So, 360, don't forget your unit gram. So, this example is given. I'll move on to the next. Let's move on to the second question, right? Mailing had 2 stickers, sticker album, Y and Z. So, 2 album, basically Y and Z. Number of stickers in Y and Z were in a ratio of 11 to 15. So, we have to draw 11 to 15, which is a hassle, but here it's drawn for you. Okay, but still, I will guide you through. So, Y, Z, ratio of 11, so 11 will be here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So, you see, it's about equal unit. I don't expect perfect, but somehow cut properly, okay? Because some of you, I noticed you anyhow cut. Don't do that. So, okay, second bar that you draw have to match up with the first bar. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 15, right? 12, 13, 14, 15. Wow, quite long. Okay, so given here, the next thing that you read is after she had transferred, sorry, a bit blur, I noticed. Okay, she had transferred 64 stickers from Z to Y. From Z to Y, I transfer some here, such that 64, I circle, okay? They have the same number. So, I want to make them the same. Circle along with me, okay? So, it must be these 2 going up, right? So, meaning these 2 will now go up. When these 2 move up, what does it tell you? It tells you that this is actually 2 units, 64. And this is a very important information. I told you, you must match unit to number. Once you get this, whole problem is solved. So, how many stickers were there in album Z at first? How many stickers were there? Okay, let's see. How many stickers were there? if 2 unit equals to 64, 1 unit will be equals to 64 divided by 2. And then you get your answer, which is, okay, you were told here, right? So here will be 64 divided by 2. And then you get your answer. After you got your answer, you are supposed to look for Z, which is the total 15 unit. Now, take note, it includes these 2 as well, because this 2, Z has it at first. Okay? Album Z has it at first. Okay, so you have to find 15 unit, and then you find the answer. Alright then, you try the other 2. Remember to draw a model neatly.